If you're a man, your pursuit of manliness is so manly that other men look at you as a man's man. Why? Well, you have a magnificent head of hair. In fact, your hair is so impressive that you can grow an illustrious beard, capable of attracting the attention of many maidens across the land. After all, women love a well-groomed man. That's why, when you're done throwing boulders and carrying trees, building cabins and rolling up your sleeves, you take your scruffing head to Aggie's Barber Shop, where you can find the highest quality hair pomade, bear oil, beard balm, and more at reasonable prices that won't make your wallet sore. When you walk out the door of Aggie's Barber Shop, you'll feel like $1,000,000, and others will notice that too. It's good to look good and feel good. Get groomed and make even the fairest ladies swoon. Click here to up your lifestyle with Aggie's Barber Shop today.